Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm here with our next element for the June Just 15 Junk Journal Challenge. So we're only to use 15 items, but we get to use a whole lot of tools and everything. I am going to make our privacy envelope idea with insert. So I've pulled out some of my items that I can use. This is my extra junk mail. I think it's really cool. It's tomatoes. So I think I might use that. And then I do have some of the digital printouts. I have two privacy envelopes. I think I'm going to use this one since it's already ready. Yeah, we'll use that one. And we'll put this one in our privacy envelope stack since around here they are a commodity. Okay, I've taken my envelope apart. Okay, so I've taken the two edges. See, just taken the two edges, taken it apart, or dissected it, and now I'm going to put it back together in this direction. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my glue right here on this edge and over here on this edge. And I'm going to put it back like this. And like this. Okay, and we'll go ahead and wait for those to dry. Dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have the envelope in my journal as a page. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Then I thought that we would see about using one of these cards depending on how it fit inside this little pocket here. I kind of like the potatoes in the pocket better than the strawberries because you really do lose. I don't know. I'm going for the strawberries. I am going to go for the strawberries. Okay, so I want to make sure that I leave enough room that I'll be able to get that in and out. And, but we want to make sure that it's going to fit in the journal. That would be good. Here we can use this as a measurement. Okay, so we're going to want to cut a little bit off of each side. Put that in there. Do I want to cut off the bottom? Yeah, we'll cut a little bit off the bottom. That'll pull that basket down in there further as well. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, and now we'll be within our spot. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. The card is in it, so I can make sure that I'm good. And there we go. And there we go. Okay. Now, so the card can go there. Now we can go ahead and flip this down. And what that will do is that will make this a little top tuck. I don't think we need the top tuck on this side so much because we have that, but I do want the top tuck on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and use these gigantic scissors. Okay, right there. And I'm going to rip this over here. Okay, so I have that. We'll go ahead and place this down with our glue. Okay, so put that down. So for this, you need to make one insert. I'm going to probably make a couple. Okay, so this is going to be in like this. And I think what we'll do is I'm going to go ahead and add something up in this corner. You know what? Let's go ahead. Are any of these whole? It's pretty, that iris is pretty close. I don't know if my postage scissors will work. We'll try them. So another thing that you can do with your cards, we had a card video the other day and we're going to have another one, but you can go ahead and cut images right out of your card. Okay, so just like that, cut images right out of your card. I'm going to go ahead and staple this on. Now this gives you journaling space here on this side. And as for the card, I like to either staple or sew, or I could use my ATG gun, but that gives me that. I have these stickers. If I find the rest of this sheet, because it's actually 3 columns, I will be pulling that out and using the whole thing. Okay, so I put this thing on the cucumber one, so I'm going to put it on this one. And there is a place for where it would be nice to see a tab at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and add a tab. So very similar to what I did with the Border Tuck insert. This time I'm going to put the tab on the top. Okay, so we'll put glue on those. Go ahead and put them together. They can share their glue, because I'm sure I had plenty on there. Okay, and then go ahead and line them up, and you have your own little homemade tab. And just because we have that little bit of a mess going on there, I'm going to see if I can find the ladybug, because he's so darn cute, and I think that he will help the fact that I just put that on top of that. It's no big deal, but you know, to me, sometimes. So we'll just put little ladybug, finish that collage out. Then we are using these stickers. Thinking something with some red flowers in it would be cute. Look, there's a flower like is in my digital kit. Okay, here's some red flowers. And just like we did up on the other side, we're going to put this here, and that'll kind of connect our things all together. And then you can write out strawberries here, or if you have it as a sticker or something, I'll be able to do that. Okay, so that will go in there. So I have my insert. Now I want to decorate my privacy envelope, and I thought, oh, you know, we've got this, and we could turn this into washi. We'll just use our glue. Just going to put some glue on the edge here. So we'll use that for that edge. I'm going to cut it off. So that gives us that edge. It is a little harder, isn't it, using just the 15 items. I'm going to come over and we have this edge. And we're going to go ahead and put this on this edge, but I don't want to close up this pocket up here. And we'll use this piece, because we use everything, right here. And we've got our red flowers. Put them down here. Okay. Okay, so my one insert is finished. This can go into a journal like this. My thinking was that we could go ahead and use this. Okay, we're going to put this through. And this is my digital. So I have that, and then I have this. And I figured I could go ahead and fold this. So there, that will give us something that can go in this pocket. Okay, you've got potatoes from that side, you've got strawberries from this side. Okay, so our other place that I want to put something is probably right there. These are double-sided. Love that they're double-sided. Okay, so that can go in there. And let's go ahead and give it something down here across the bottom. And I have more of these pages that I can cut up. So this is from the wrapping paper fussy cut. I chose wrapping paper, a wallpaper, a paper stack of 8.5 by 11 printed cardstock. And then my digital, and then I have the pages from my book. These index cards. So those are my pages that I chose. And then the digital. So, and the digital is available in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. If you finished your April challenge, the garden veggie and fruit digital is the digital that you received for finishing your journal. Okay, so I want to be careful with this because I want to save the packaging, because you can use your packaging. Okay, I'm going to do it like this so that we can cut off this. We're going to cut these guys in half. And I want them. So I want the veggies. Okay, so that gives me that. And then we'll go to this side. And we're going to cut off the rooster's tail. But that's okay. Okay, so we'll go every other one, and we're going to make a stack a note. Okay, so stack a note, you can either staple these. We're going to glue them because that will take up less bulk. And I'm just adding the glue down here. Sorry. Forgot I was on the iPad. They film differently. Film different areas of the desk. But I'm uploading off of the iPhone. There we go. And won't this be cute with the little chicken? Even though it's a rooster. Okay, so there, and that will go in that little flap right there. So that is pretty much taken care of. I think what the other thing I might do is go ahead, since this is a top tuck, when we make our paper clips, I might make a paper clip and then we'll decorate one of the cards and add it in as a journaling card right here. So I'll just grab a paper clip for right now. Okay, so we'll be making 4 paper clips, so one of them can go right there. I think that'll be a good place for it. So we still have this that I might want to do. He's too tall. I do want to do something with this right here. Ooh, I like that. I like that very much. And you know, I like to use everything that's hanging around. There we go. Okay, so this is my privacy envelope idea with inserts. So I have taken the privacy envelope. I'm going to use it as pockets. And I have made 2 inserts. So I have this just trifold, and it is the page that has the tags. It's a file. It has 6 tags on the file in the digital. And then I took one of the postcards and we've put it here, and it fits just perfectly in there, and you can see it through there. And then we also made this little note paper. So there's places to write here and here and here and on the inside. And I think it's really cool with the fussy cut images, and we used a lot of things here. A lot of pieces of things. So that is my privacy envelope insert. If you are here for the premiere, hi, I'm waving. Thank you for being here. And if you are brand new to our channel, please come over into the chat and say hi, especially at the premiere. Come over and say hi so we can welcome you. And we are here every day at 10:30. With a fun, usually a paper craft, junk journaling, mostly about the challenges, with ideas and things that you can make. Sometimes it's a shopping haul, and sometimes it might be another little crafty idea. So I'm Julie. I'm the CEO and Queen Creator here at Dear Julie Julie and Dear Julie Julie DIY. And I want to welcome you. Thank you for being here. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and watch one of these videos, or go watch someone else's video after this one, because YouTube really likes it. It really helps my channel. Thank you again for being here. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.